Welcome to Butler Montessori School, where our 22 acres of land here helps to give your child the opportunity to have hands-on nature-based learning, which engages them and helps them to develop into a successful contributing citizen of the society. One example of how our campus does this, physically and emotionally and socially and academically for your child, could be a hike to one of the many creeks here on our campus that backs up to Seneca Creek Park. Recently, an elementary class here, hiked down to the creek and saw an abundance of honeysuckles. We had recently had a lesson about the parts of a flower, and the children were so excited to take apart the honeysuckle and drink its nectar. We were able to share the honeysuckle with the whole class. The younger children had to use their grace and courtesy skills to ask the older children to help them pick the honeysuckles from the bushes. The children had to then help each other climb up the hill and pick those honeysuckles. So there they have their physical literacy, practicing their climbing skills and practicing their grace and courtesy and practicing their science with the botany. What a beautiful experience.